Ladies and gentlemen, this is Miss Cosmo 2024 competition. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Miss Cosmo 2024, the Grand Coronation Night. Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers. Tonight will be the Grand Coronation Night of Miss Cosmo 2024. And are you ready to witness the beauty and glamour of our very own Maria Atisa Manalo from the Philippines?
Maria Atisa Manalo, Philippines!
Suportahan po natin ang ating pambato from the Philippines, Maria Atisa Manalo, as she represents our country in Miss Cosmo 2024 competition. Tonight, magaganap na ang Grand Coronation Night at malalaman na natin kung sino ang kokoronahan bilang Miss Cosmo 2024. Ito nga ang inauguration o kauna-unahang Miss Cosmo 2024, kung kaya't we are wishing a good luck para sa ating Miss Cosmo Philippines na walang iba kundi si Maria Atisa Manalo. Alam natin na ibibigay niya ang lahat ng kanyang makakaya upang mabigyan tayo ng isang napakagandang performance at isang magandang laban para sa Pilipinas. Patuloy niyang ibabandera ang ating bandila at kailanman hindi niya tayo bibigoin para sa isang magandang laban. Muli, congratulations in advance and good luck to you, our very own Miss Cosmo Philippines, Maria Atisa Manalo.